to install your Black & Decker 0.9 cubic foot portable washing machine. First, remove all packaging material, ensuring there's no remaining styrofoam at the bottom of the washer near the motor. You'll want to install your washer on a solidly constructed floor in a room where water cannot freeze and located within 4 feet of a drain facility. Install the bottom cover by sliding it into the correct slots with the screws provided. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you remove the aerator from your sink's faucet. If the Quick Connect doesn't fit your faucet, you will need to buy an adapter. You can buy faucet adapters online or at a nearby hardware store. Attach the Quick Connect to your faucet to make sure it's secured with no leaks. Attach one end of your hose to the Quick Connect. Attach the other end of your hose to the washing machine. Secure the drain hose over a wash basin, laundry tub, or tie strap, and refer to the user manual for further instructions. Adjust your machine as needed, with one adjustable leveling leg on the bottom. Ensure that the connectors are tightly fit. Then plug in the power cord and turn on the washer. Remember, this unit is cold water only. See? Installation is easy and only takes a few minutes.